I'm like confused on how IKEA works. Like, why are there so many different like places like to get furniture, but then you can actually buy it? Like, it brings instant happiness in here. I am so excited. Setups of everything and like different rooms, but I don't know. Like, I feel like a little kid in a candy shop. Like, these are so cheap. They're literally $4. Like, why are they so cheap? I don't understand. So cool. This is like actually crazy. I've never seen a place like this. Like, it's wild. There's literally a whole room for rugs. How are things like this so cheap? Like, look at this rug. This is only $30. It's so pretty in here too. Like, it brings instant happiness in here. But like, there's literally a whole room for just lights and lamps. Like, it goes all the way down there. This is like actually wild, like how big this place is. Like, I literally feel like I'm like in a, I don't even know, this is insane. Like, why do I not hear more about IKEA? Like, this is not normal. Like, this is insane how big this place is. Like, why do more people not talk about this place? I feel like I am in an imaginary world right now with how massive this place is.